Hello, my name is Craig Basson, CEO of EasyAsk. My pleasure to introduce you to Quiri Conversational AI for Infor. When we say that, we're talking about the idea of bringing a conversational AI solution different than generative AI in that we don't require large language models. All the intelligence, all the AI, natural language, linguistic information is stored within EasyAsk, so we don't have to create a new LLM for every data source. That allows us to connect to any ERP that Infor offers. We have quite a few, as well as CRM, BI, really any data. Let's dive in and take a look at the app real quick. So to begin with, we can choose models with the same application running on desktop, iOS, or Android. We can connect to Infor CRM data, CSD, Fax, SXE, A+, or Amplify, our AI B2B e-commerce solution as well. Let's start with Infor CRM and ask a few questions. Show sales by sales rep by state. So you've just seen voice recognition work. Most importantly, we understood the context of that question, connected up with the Infor CRM data, brought back sales reps, account managers, right, state and total revenue, deal by deal by deal, right? Jumping back in, we can go to sessions as well. Sessions allows you to ask a series of questions and then save that entire session. Right. So staying with Infor CRM, I can go to some previous sessions that I recorded. Let's jump into one of those. The last question I asked was list pipeline deals in EMEA over $100,000, and it shows the answer to that question. But what it allows us to do then is there are consistent questions you'll want to ask in each session. You can save those. So, and I've got 3 here. So I could just simply scroll down to see which accounts were not contacted last year and touch that on the screen, and that answer comes back, right? And then, by the way, that's a not question. It's sometimes difficult to ask for this, not that. We handle that just fine. Next question, what's the distribution of domestic accounts by state? There's a number of ways of asking that question, but we understood that. It was a fairly complex question. We understood it and brought back the answer by state. So that's Infor CRM information. We can jump back into sessions. Let's jump down and take a look at questions we've asked of A+. So here's a session that asks a number of questions of the ERP, right? Show the number of orders by customer, right? Which customers had orders this quarter? Just touch the screen, and there's your answer. Right, and we can scroll right down and decide what other questions we would like to ask. And a number of these are repeats, but show orders over $20,000. We understood it, right? And there's the answer. There's no limit to the questions you could ask. We don't program questions. Quiri understands the context of a question and the deep content of the data. Right. Beyond that, we can ask any questions of any of these data sources, all from the same application. You never have to reboot or reload. It's ready to go. So there is conversational AI for Infor ERPs, Infor CRM. We can certainly connect to Burst, and wanted to make sure you had a chance to see what conversational AI looks like. It's available, and it's available right now. Thank you so much. We look forward to chatting with you.